Welcome to the story time at the Toadstool Nook. Penny the pig loved puddles. Big ones, small ones, muddy ones, bubbly ones, she loved them all. One sunny morning, Penny woke up to a splat, splat, splosh outside her window. "It rained last night," she squealed. "Perfect for a puddle parade." She put on her rainbow boots, even though pigs don't usually wear boots, and pranced outside. As she danced from one puddle to the next, she spotted her friend, Toby the Tortoise, sitting under a leaf. "Come splash with me," said Penny. "I don't like getting dirty," said Toby, peeking out nervously. Penny thought for a moment. "That's okay. You can be the grand puddle parade judge instead." Toby smiled and followed along, giving each puddle a score from 1 to 10. Next, Penny found Lily the lamb hopping on dry rocks. "Join my puddle parade?" Penny asked. Lily frowned. "But I'll get my wool all squishy." Penny giggled. "You can ride on my back. We'll make you a floaty parade princess." Lily bawed in delight and climbed aboard. By the end of the day, Penny had danced in every puddle, and her friends had laughed more than ever. As the sun set, Toby said, "I'm glad I didn't stay under my leaf all day." "And I'm glad I didn't let my fluff stop me from fun," said Lily. Penny grinned, her snout speckled with mud. Muddy fun is best when shared.